Hello again. In this video we're going to be looking at dead reckoning, which is a way of estimating a position with not much accuracy, just using bearing and distance covered. For that information you need to look at your log data. So we've assumed some log data: starting time 0635 UT, end time 0655, boat speed 6 knots, elapsed time is therefore 20 minutes, and the compass course 265 compass. We adjust for variation and deviation, which is in another video, and that gives us 266 true from a 265 compass. Now if you're not sure how to do that, look at our other video on variation and deviation. We then select 266 true on the Breton plotter, line up the compass rose or the disc on the Breton plotter so that it's lined up with the lines, meridian lines, and you can see we've got an angle just south of 270, which is due west. That's 266. Line it up nice and carefully, and then draw in a line from our start point where the fix is in the direction of 266 true. We're not sure yet how far down that line we will have travelled. We know we were doing 6 knots and we had 20 minutes travelling time, so that's for 1 hour at 6 knots is 6 nautical miles covered. So for a third of that hour, 20 minutes, will be 2 nautical miles covered. 2 nautical miles is 2 minutes at that latitude. Mark that across our course, and that cross gives us a dead reckoned position. So then we just write in the time, which was 0655, 20 minutes after the fix was taken, and that is our dead reckoned position. Of course, a dead reckoned position excludes the effects of tide and leeway.